Deciding on what cameras to bring has always been a little bit of a problem, but it's even worse when you've got less space. So, Hero 3, my camera of choice, well, the camera that I've had, and I just hadn't been bothered to upgrade. And the reason why is because until they release a camera that can do fast charging or something like that, there's no point to upgrade. And with these big batteries that I've got here, one of these lasts 6 hours, so one will more than enough last the weekend. So this entire trip will probably be filmed on my Hero. Right, so for the basic weekend away, GoPro camera, battery, memory card inside, spare memory card for a GoPro, another battery, charge cable, and the power bank. And that is my sat nav. That's it as well. So that's all the electronics that I'll be taking.
Now these Day & Easy leather gloves, oh, they're very good. This is my third pair, I believe, and they have come to the end of their natural lifespan. So of course, before I had to go away, I had to get some new ones. Bike loaded. All right, off we go. What is going on at the front? Is this just cyclists? It is just cyclists. It is cyclists. That's depressing in a way. Oh well. Is it cyclists? I think it is. Don't know for sure. I've seen a couple, but I don't know if that's true or not. Oh, this is a nice day. I just haven't got a heavy clutch to use. Just tip it down a gear. Left the BMW at home, so I went camping on this instead. It's a lot cheaper on petrol, more money on beer. Here we go, y'all. So, behind me I've got Phil. Got Phil already behind me. We're off to Lumi's Motor Cafe. It's not too bad at Biker Cafe at the moment. People are keeping their social distance. Although this bike does attract a bit of attention. People do take their distance and stuff. It's not too bad. Not too bad indeed. This should be quite a nice little route. I keep checking to see if my stuff's still attached. I don't 100% trust this bike. It's a new layup, new setup. I've got the back box on. Oh, going through some tight twisties now. Oh,
a bit scary actually on a C90 going around twisty corners, because I built it to fall apart any minute. I've got about 15 miles left in the tank, so I need to stop for petrol again. I'm not going Merco. Oh, it's closed anyway. I'm not going to go there anyway. Well, I didn't want to go to Merco anyway. Bunch of rubbish.
Oh yeah, there's a BP on the way, isn't there, in Midhurst? Oh yeah, fine, we can go there.
Cool.
That's fine. I was just worried. Worried that because I've got set when this gets to 100 kilometers and it's on 75 at the moment. When this gets to 100, that's it.
Yeah.
I'm out. Because you don't think, really, you don't have to worry about it when you're on any other bike.
Yeah.
Wait. They don't need to follow that. I can see traffic up ahead, so it's not like it makes any difference. Is it pear pump? Damn it, it's not. Curses. See, I've got loads of time. I've only got another probably 80 miles today to do, which don't sound a lot, but on this bike, at these speeds, it's not the fastest in the world, but we're enjoying it. Nice weather. We're only stuck behind the same horse van again, aren't we? So far we're tied. Problem is whoever gets the higher score has to buy the round. So I need to get 4 to put myself in the lead. Otherwise, whoever, you know, now it's just a case of conceding, and then, you know, whoever concedes first. But we're tied at the moment. He's looking again still. Oh, it was a tad chilly last night. Oh, hay fever. Right, that's that. Time to go for a coffee. Wasn't too bad last night. A little bit cold at one point, but I'm on the coast, so I expected as much. I expected as much. Now time for a picnic. And then after this, I guess I'll just slog out the last 50 miles and I'll be home. Quite a good route. Not a bad little route through all the little villages and stuff. It'll be about 1 o'clock now, so I left about 9. Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. Alright. What bike will I take next time?